Hello friends, welcome to another episode of the All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. And I'm your host, Jack. And today we are sailing into uncharted waters. Well, our compacts, cultural differences in sales. And our destination, understanding and appreciating cultural nuances in Southeast Asian markets. So are we ready? Let's get started. Now, let's set sail first. In the vast ocean of sales, one-size-fits-all strategies sink like a stone, especially when you are navigating to diverse, dynamic waters of Southeast Asia. Grasping cultural nuances isn't just polite etiquette. It is the treasure map guiding you to uncover or actually undiscovered business opportunities. Well, consider this. IKEA, the Swedish furniture behemoth, when they set foot on Southeast Asian shores, they didn't just bring their flat pack furniture. They brought a deep understanding and respect for local cultures. For instance, in Malaysia, they offer locally relevant products like prayer rugs. And in Singapore, they adapted their store layouts to cater to the compact living spaces. And what's the result? A flourishing business that stands as a testament to the power of cultural understanding. While switching gears, let's talk about Coca-Cola. Remember their Share a Coke campaign? When they launched it in Southeast Asia, they didn't just replicate the campaign. No, they customized with popular local names. That wasn't just a clever marketing trick. It was a powerful way to connect with the customers on a personal level. And what's the outcome? A wildly successful campaign that skyrocketed their sales. And who can forget McDonald's? Their tale is a masterclass in cultural adaptation. From nasi lemak burgers in Malaysia to McRice in Indonesia, they have always tailored the menu to local taste. They knew that to win the hearts of the Southeast Asians, they had to speak the language, or rather cook their food. And it worked like a charm. Now let's take a moment to reflect. What's the golden thread weaving through these success stories? Well, it's simple. To make waves in Southeast Asian markets, you need to do more than just translate your sales pitch. You need to understand the culture, the values, and the taste. You need to appreciate the nuances that make each market unique and special. Now on to the exciting part, your assignment. Choose a Southeast Asian market that piques your interest. Dive into their cultural norms, preferences, and values. Then brainstorm how you can tailor your sales strategy to resonate with this market. Remember, understanding is the first step on the stairway to sales success. And now, as we reach the end of our journey, remember this. In Southeast Asian sales, it is not just about what you are selling, but how you are selling it. So embrace cultural differences, appreciate local nuances, and watch your sales skyrocket. And that's all for today's episode of the All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. I'm your host, Jack, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep selling with confidence. See you!